Weight loss can be challenging with so many products promising to help you see results. But there's one kitchen spice which actually stops fat cells, speeds up weight loss, and blasts belly fat. Turmeric is an Indian spice used for cooking and in curries. It's been used for centuries across India and Asia for its health benefits, but turmeric has also been discovered as an effective weight loss method. When ingested, the orange spice speeds up weight loss, sheds belly fat, and actually stops fat cells from forming and expanding. This inexpensive spice is bright in color and has a mild, slightly bitter flavor akin to mustard, perfect for cooking or even mixing with milk or hot water for a fat-blasting drink. According to a 2009 scientific report, turmeric helps weight loss by stopping fat cells from growing. It also converts white fat into brown fat, which is burned by the body to release energy, not stored as fat. Increasing your intake of turmeric can be easier than you think, with lots of simple ways to ingest the spice. Along with being used in cooking and sprinkled on food, it can be drunk in hot or cold drinks. Turmeric root can also be used for weight loss, adding around 1 to 3 grams of the fresh raw root to dishes or juices. The root can also be crushed using a pestle and mortar and added to foods or smoothies. Along with weight loss, turmeric has a host of other health and wellness-boosting properties. Turmeric is one of the most nutritionally rich herbs with good amounts of protein, vitamin C, calcium, iron, dietary fiber, and sodium. It's also anti-inflammatory, with the spice being discovered to work as efficiently as actual anti-inflammatory medicines. This miracle orange spice is also useful for your skin regime, reducing oil recreation and keeping pimples at bay. It's also known to clear acne scars and has natural antiseptic properties. So how do you brew turmeric tea for weight loss? Boil 2 cups of water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground, grated, or powdered turmeric. Let mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Let cool and enjoy. If you've enjoyed this video and want more plant-based remedies, then check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine, and you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.